Okay, so basically, when we're looking at this, we're dealing with inscribed angles. All right, so here's the 84, which is why the B is 42 there. All right, since that's 42, A would be 21. All right, so now we got a triangle. The three angles obviously add up to 180, so I take 21 and 42, add them up, subtract from 180, and I get a buck 17. So that's why C is 117. When I look at number 5, all right, first off, A is going to be 93 because opposite angles of a cyclic or inscribed quadrilateral or supplementary. So now what you want to envision is A is an inscribed angle that goes to there. So that arc from here to here is that angle times 2. So I take 93 and double it, and I get 186. Well, if from there to there is 186, and this portion of it over here is 30. Oops. Now you can't even see the angle, sorry. And this portion over here is 36. All we're going to do is subtract 186 minus 36, and we get 150. All right, so that's why C is 150. Same idea over here. If this is 78, all right, I'm going to make it a different color. All right. So from there to there, actually down here, would be 78 times 2. All right, so 78 times 2 is 156. Take away the 36, and that's why B is 120. All right. And then A is half of, wait a minute, I can't pay. Yeah, that works. All right, so to get A, I add 150 and 36 because that's the arc. So that gives me 186. I divide it by 2, and that's why the A is the 93. Just checking my work. All right. Come down to 6. Once again, opposite angles are supplementary. So those two angles have to add up to 180. So A would have to be 72. All right. Excuse me. All right. So basically, you just work your way around. That inscribed angle times 2 would be 184. So from here to here would be 184. Take away the 114, and we got 70. All right. Basically, B would be 88 because opposite angles are going to be supplementary. And then from there to there has to be 176. All right. From here to here has to be 108 times 2. 108 times 2 is 216. Well, part of it's 72. So once again, I subtract 216 minus 72. That's why C is 144. And then to get D, you can just add them all up and subtract from 360. All right. 70 and 72 is 142. 142 and 144 is 286. Subtract from 180, and D is 74. All right. And the last one you asked about was number 15. All right. So they give you the 38 degrees. That's the central angle. All right. And that's also the arc. So A would be half of that. So A is half of 36, which is 18. All right. From here to here is 146. So that's why C would be 214. All right. Because not 214, my bad. I jumped ahead of myself. Hold on. Oh, hit the wrong one. All right. So A is not, why do it? I've read 18. A is 19. All right. So A is going to be 19. Working my way around. B would be half of C. All right. 146 and 38 means that arc is 184. All right. Whole way around the circle is 360. So I'm just going to do 360 minus 184. gives me 176. That's why C is 176. And B is half of that, which is 88. All right. Hope it helps. Good luck. See you in class.